Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best beauty products on the market today. If you're on the hunt for a game changer for your hair, look no further because today we're reviewing the best Olaplex Hair Oil, the number 7 bonding oil. This product promises to deliver high shine, frizz control, and an overall smooth finish, and we're going to break down everything you need to know about it. First off, let's talk about what makes the Olaplex number 7 bonding oil stand out. This concentrated formula is packed with benefits that go far beyond just adding shine to your hair. Not only does it visibly smooth and soften, but it also provides heat protection, which is essential for anyone who uses styling tools regularly. It's a versatile product that works for all hair types, including damaged hair, making it a must-have in your hair care routine. When it comes to frizz, this oil is an absolute powerhouse. Thanks to its powerful bonding technology, it helps control frizz for up to 72 hours. Imagine having sleek, manageable hair without worrying about the weather wreaking havoc on your style. And, of course, for those of you with color-treated hair, this oil enhances color vibrancy, ensuring that your hair stays looking fresh and radiant. But how do you use it? You can apply it to both wet and dry hair, whether you're styling or just refreshing your look. Just a few drops of this lightweight oil are all you need to experience its full benefits. It works beautifully as a pre-styling product, providing a smooth base for your heat tools, or as a finishing touch to add shine and sleekness. One of the most significant advantages of this oil is how light it feels. Unlike some heavy oils that can weigh down your hair, this one absorbs quickly and leaves no greasy residue behind. It's perfect for those who want a boost in shine and smoothness without sacrificing volume or natural movement. Plus, the formula is free of sulfates, gluten, parabens, and formaldehyde, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your hair. The Olaplex number 7 bonding oil is also a fantastic UV protectant. If you're someone who spends a lot of time outdoors, this oil provides a layer of defense against the damaging effects of the sun, helping to keep your hair looking healthy and vibrant. At just $30 for a 1-ounce bottle, it's a great value considering how little you need for each use. It's definitely a premium product, but one that truly delivers on its promises. Whether you're looking to improve hair health, protect from heat, or simply want shiny, frizz-free hair, this oil covers all the bases. So, if you're ready to upgrade your hair care routine with a product that works wonders for shine, smoothness, and frizz control, the Olaplex number 7 bonding oil is definitely worth considering. Trust me, your hair will thank you. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you in the next review.